Hey, what's up, DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking DT series electrical connections. And in today's video, we are going to give you a full tutorial on how they work, how they come apart, how they connect, and a couple additional tools that feed wiring in and out of the connections. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, down at the workstation, and my mom and dad's 2003 Sea-Doo GTX has been in-house for the winter and actively doing a bunch of DIY repair videos on it. And let's hop to the other side of the workbench. Hey, if you're into skateboarding, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We show you how to build your own custom logo skateboard and mount them on the wall. Here is the DT series electrical connection points. And as you can see, our primary Craftsman workbench is pretty full. So I'm going to head to our secondary workbench, open this up, and give you a tutorial on how these work. However, coming to the jet ski, let's go inside. I want to show you the project we are working on. There is a DT series connection points. There's two of them. And you can see one missing wire, and that wire has been removed, and that feeds up to the handlebar to our start stop push button. And we are in the process of replacing that entire wire harness and switch. However, we will come back and reference this here shortly. All right, here we are at the secondary or backup workbench, and again, there is the DT series connection points. We are going to open up the package and show you how they work. Camera now positioned, and again, here is the DT series. This is a little bit larger than the one we just worked on inside the storage compartment. And again, with your flathead screwdriver, you get these two little slots here. Carefully insert it, pop up the cap, and remove it. Set that aside. Inside here, the little connection points slide in through the rubber coating here. As you see, it is rubber. This entire orange piece is not plastic. And coming inside here, I'll give you a good view of one of the tabs. Just by shifting it to the center portion, you can see it widens the hole and allows the connection point to be unlocked or freed up so you can pull it out the opposite end. See that? See those little tabs? I just wanted to show you a better view of that. And on the back side, right here, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, this part is rubber, and we are just shy of installing the brand new wiring. And here is the old wiring and connection point. And I want to show you a close-up view of this tool right here. There's the part number, and you can see the design of it. And the way I'm going to do this is carefully rest the wire inside the little cutout there and slide it all the way up flush to the bottom portion of the fitting. And at that point, you basically pinch it inside the little slot in the tool, and you can carefully push it in without damaging the wire or connection into the DT series connection point. And what we'll do is we'll just slide it in number 1, which is right there. And we will do this exactly the same inside the storage compartment. Carefully push it inside that hole until you are through, and come to the opposite end. And as you see, I still have a little bit more to go. And the tool itself will go inside that orange rubber fitting or seal, as shown here. And again, you're just pushing it all the way through, and it's almost there. You'll continue pushing it basically until it's flush with the top portion here, and that internal plastic tab locks the connection point in place. Did you hear it click? From here, you just carefully pull the tool out. And again, we are going to do this the exact same way I just showed you once we get back to the jet ski. And it is completely flush and locked in place. And again, to disconnect it, all I have to do is come inside here to that internal tab, push it to the center, and use the opposite tool, which is this one right here, to push it out. And if all looks good, you will carefully reinsert the cap, verify that your orange rubber seal is perfectly positioned, and you'll reconnect everything. Back to the primary workbench. I've got some orange electrical tape, I've got a pair of scissors, and I'm going to open up our brand new switch and wiring, as you see here. And I'm going to carefully tape the brand new wire to that string trimmer line and feed it downstream and into place. DOR's back to the jet ski coming inside the hull. And this is a 6-place DT connection series. As you see, 3 on each side. And the one that has been removed is for that wire harness. And on the backhand side, a little dirtier than the brand new one. But you can see all the wires feeding through that orange rubber seal and into place where they are secured. And the opposite end has little prongs or leads that actually go inside the center holes of this side connection points. Pretty neat. Engineering at its finest in terms of electrical connection points, right? Again, as always, we hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.